Children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video, we are going to learn our 13th lesson. So, what is our 13th lesson name? Yes, it is I need these. Okay? Yes. So, let us start the lesson. Lesson number 13, I need these. So, children, after studying this lesson, you can make a list of basic needs. Okay. So in the first page, what are the children doing in the picture? So we have to observe the picture and we have to say the what the children are doing. Okay, the first picture, in that picture the girl is eating the food. Okay, and then the next the boy is sitting in the house and playing, and next the boy is changing the uniform, and one boy is drinking water, and the girl is moving that hand fan to get air, to get cool air, we can say. And in the middle, the boy and girl both are going to school. So these are some pictures. Okay, in the next picture, here are few pictures of some things. Draw a line on the things that are very essential for you. So here some pictures are there, children, like water, chair, watch, books, pencil, food, cloth, shoes, and even one girl is telling. Okay, so here in this picture we have to draw a line, children, which are essential for us to our life. So in the first picture we can see water, no? So without water can we live, children? No. Without water we cannot live. So we can put, or we can draw a line to water. And chair. So the next picture is chair. So instead of chair we can sit on floor. We can use the other thing. Okay, so watch. So instead of watch we can use the clock, or we can ask to someone the time, or we can do something to know the time, isn't it? Yes. So in the next picture, books. So books are there. So instead of books we can use something, isn't it? Yes. So instead of books we can use something. So and the next, pencil. So instead of pencil also we can use pen or chalk piece or something. But food, without food, or without chair also we can live, without watch also we can live, without books also we can live, without pencil also we can live, children. But food, children, without food can we live, children? No. Without food, 1 hour 2 hour after that we need food. So food is very essential for all living beings, isn't it? All the living beings on the earth, food is very essential thing. So without food we cannot live. And cloth. So cloth also very essential, children. Can we live without cloth? It's very impossible. It's an impossible thing. So without cloth we cannot live. Cloth also very essential thing. And shoes. Shoes, if shoe is not there we can live. It is not an essential thing, isn't it? Yes, instead of shoes we can walk without shoes, and instead of shoes we can use slippers also. Yes, no? Yes. So shoe is not a essential thing. So in this picture, water, food and clothes are very essential for us to lead the life. So these are comes under in our basic needs also. Okay? Yes. So children, here girl is telling, I am hungry, can we have food? So, oh, I am thirsty, I need water to drink. It started raining, let's go home. In the next page, I need clothes to protect me from the heat of the sun, cold, rain and breeze. We need air to breathe also, don't we? All need air, water, clothes, house. These are our basic needs. So children, what are the basic needs? Yes, food, water, house means shelter, clothes and air. Because so how many hours. We can say how many hours you can stay without food, children. 1 hour or 2 hour. So after that we have to eat food. Without food we cannot live. So food is very essential thing, and it is our basic need. And whenever you will thirsty, you cannot stay without water. Must and should we will drink the water, isn't it? Only 1 hour we can what we can stay without water. After that we cannot live without water. All the living beings need food and water. Without water and without food also, all the living beings on the earth cannot live. So water is also essential thing and our basic need. And so the boy is telling it started raining, let's go home, because we need house to protect ourselves from what? Heat, cold, rain, dangerous animals, from thieves, isn't it? We need home. Home means shelter. So even home also essential thing for us. It is also basic need. Okay? Yes. And here clothes also, children. I need clothes to protect me from the heat of the sun, cold, rain and breeze. That boy is telling no. Yes, it is. Cloth also we can protect ourselves from cold, heat of the sun, rain and breeze from the cloth itself. Without cloth we cannot protect ourselves, isn't it? So cloth also, it is an essential thing for us, and it is our basic need. And the most important thing is air, because we breathe with the help of air only. If we cannot breathe means we will die. So to breathe we need air, isn't it? We need air to breathe. So all the living beings on the earth needs air to breathe. Yes or no, children? Yes. So these are all what basic needs. What are those? Air, water, clothes, house. Okay, yes. So these are all basic needs. Yes. So next, even animals also need water, air and food. Even all the animals also cannot live without air, water and food. Isn't it, children? Yes, even the animals also need air, water and food. Even they will also drink water. Even they will also eat the food. Even they will also breathe with the help of air. Yes. So these are all essential for animals also. These are all basic needs of animals. The next picture, even plants also. Plants also need air, water and food. Have you seen, children? Yes. So even plants also need air, water and food to grow well. Then only we will get the food from plant. So plants also need, and what animals also need. Okay, even we the people also need air, water and food. So these are all essential things and basic needs. Okay, so look at the lines drawn in the boxes. Draw a picture of a house according in the empty boxes and color it. So this is a picture of a house, children. So you have to draw as like in the first box. Okay, same picture you have to draw in the empty box. Okay, so children, I said plants also need air, water and food. So you can observe in the picture the girl is watering the plant, and in the next picture that boy is what putting the what fertilizer. Even you will learn in the next class in briefly. Okay, even the plants also need air, water and food to grow well. So if the plants grow well means we will get the food from plant. Okay, yes. So again we'll come back to this house picture. So you have to draw in the empty box as like in the first box. Okay. So in the next page also you have to follow the same. So in the next page, look at the pictures and put right mark on the correct answers in the boxes. So in the first uh, for picture, which one is right, children? The water I drink. Which what type of water you will drink, children? Clean water, pure water, no? So here two types of water. One is dirty water and pure water. So for clean water I will put right mark because we should always use or drink clean water, isn't it? Yes. So I put right mark to the clean water. So next, for the next picture, I will mark to fruit which covered, which it is covered, right? Because see in the picture, children, the fruits I eat, it is there. No, I have put right mark to the covered fruit because opened fruit on that already you can see what mosquitoes, flies, or so many dirty things are there, isn't it? So always whenever you will go outside you have to eat covered food only. So this type of open food if we eat means what we may fall ill. So in the case of water also, if we drink dirty water we may fall ill. So okay, so we have put right mark to the covered fruit. So the house I live. So see here, children, for house I put right mark to the first picture because the second house it is there in the very bad condition. So we cannot protect uh, ourselves from heat, cold. See roof also damaged, and surrounding of the house it is very dirty, isn't it? So many mosquitoes will come, and it spreads diseases also. So in the first picture that house is very clean and it is very what in a good condition. So we have to live in this type of house, no? So we will prefer this type of house. So I will put right mark to the first house. So the last one, so what type of clothes we will wear, children? You should, so the clothes I wear, it should be very neat and clean, isn't it? So which one is the very neat and clean, children? First cloth. So I put right mark to the first cloth. Okay. So children, these are our basic needs, isn't it? So these are our basic needs, like shelter means home, air, water, food, clothes. So without these we cannot live, we cannot lead our life. These are essential things in our life. Okay, yes. So I hope you understood this lesson, children. We have learnt basic needs from this lesson. Okay, so now homework. Read the lesson and do the working page in the textbook and paste or draw the pictures of our basic needs. Okay, yes. Thank you.